Hello everyone, welcome to AM Forecast YouTube channel. This is Venkat. Today let us discuss about the market commentary on natural gas futures here. So this is our previous update in this instrument of natural gas. So in which we had mentioned that we were expecting a rally from 2.144. So from here, so we were considering this corrective sequence as a triangle sequence. So from here we were expecting then the range of 2.345. So if it breaks 2.263, the instrument may see the next stop of 2.345 here. So the instrument had broken this triangle line and reached 2.400. The expected level was 2.345 approximately. So the instrument had reached 2.400 here. So the instrument is still running with two options here. So one is wave A, B, and in C we are having an impulsive structure 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and it's in the final leg of wave 5 of wave C. So from here we can expect a three-wave reactions lower at least. This is our first option. If we look at the second options here, in second option, if it is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so here in wave 1 it consists of a three-wave structure. So this impulsive structure, if it contains all three-wave structure from here, so three-wave structure 1, three-wave structure 2, and here we have another zigzag over here, so A, B, C, so which is labeled as a wave 3. We can label at wave 3 here, and wave 4 is a triangle. And in this option also the instrument is in the final leg, but it's a one three-wave structure and the instrument may come up to right here and then will rally like this. It may go up like this, and from here we may expect a three-wave reaction lower as least. So this is our second option, but buying is not recommended. So one can start selling if this instrument reaches this level, so this resistance level. So it could be a ending diagonal as well, because in higher time frame, so we can, so if it is a WX, then it must be another three-wave structure, and if it is a and B, and this must be an impulsive structure. So that is what we have discussed earlier in this video. So if it is a three-wave structure, we can label this instrument as A and B and C, and if it is an impulsive structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in these both option, the instrument is in final leg. So the anytime it may turn out soon, turn down soon. So as I said earlier, one can start selling if this instrument reaches this resistance by making same resistance as stop loss, and can add more lots if it breaks this channel. So breaking this channel, we can expect more downside. So this is it for today about natural gas futures. Any structural changes will be updated soon in next video. Thank you.